to do is I want you on your whiteboards right now to solve for x. Go. So we know that we have to solve for x. We have two x's, so we're going to combine our x's. I personally went about it this way. I subtracted 2x from both sides of the equation. Don't let your equal sign go away because that's where we get confused. So that's 0. So we have -5 on this side of the equal sign. And then we have now adding those up, 2x plus 11. Next step, remember your goal, you're trying to get x alone. Subtract 11 from both sides. -5 minus 11 is -16 equals 2x. Now your last step to get x alone is divide both sides by 2. So x equals -8. Most of you got it right. Way to go. If you can do that, you can do today's assignment. Okay, what I want you to do is with me, look up here. We learned about parallel lines and transversals last time, right? So we have two parallel lines. These are the highlighted lines. And a transversal is something that cuts through and crosses through both parallel lines. That creates a bunch of angles here. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we know that some of these are equal angles. Some of them add up to be 180 and whatnot. That's what we learned last time. So everybody, I want us to look and remember where the vertical angles are on this. So what are vertical angles, first of all? Are these vertical angles, guys? Yeah. And are these vertical? And are these vertical? And these? Okay, vertical angles are what? Equal, add up to be 180, what's the rule? Vertical angles are what? Equal, right? So, question for you. If this is 90 degrees, what's this? 90. That's not drawn to scale, obviously, because that is not a pretty angle. Okay. Alternate interior angles. Don't start working on the worksheet, guys. Do not start working. You're going to have time to get it done in class. Alternate interior angles. Wouldn't that be this one and this one? Yeah. And then isn't this alternate interior to that? Yeah. Everybody good? Yeah. What do we know about alternate interior angles? Aren't they equal? Yeah. So my question for you is, if this is 25 degrees, what's this? 25 degrees. Very good. Okay, next one. Alternate exterior angles. Outside. So, and they alternate. So it's got to be over here, right? What do we know about those? They're equal. There's another alternate exterior angle, that and that. Okay, next thing. We learned about corresponding angles. Corresponding means they correspond. They literally sit in the exact same spot, but on different parallel lines. So isn't that corresponding to that? Yeah. Top of the parallel line, top of the parallel line on the same side. Look at them. They look the exact same. This is the same as this, right? Yeah. This is the same as this. Yeah. Corresponding. That and the bottom, that face, whatever that is. Okay, good. They're equal. Hey, we're almost there. Straight line angles. That means they create a straight line. It has to be a straight line in the exact same spot. So aren't these two straight line angles? Yeah. This and this are straight line angles. And what do? They add up to be 180. So you'd say star plus star equals 180. So aren't those two straight line angles? How about these two? How about that and that? No! What about those? Right there and right there. Yep, and so on. We can make them bunch. Okay, consecutive interior angles. Consecutive means one right after another and inside. So not alternating, it's one right after another. So this and this are consecutive interior. What do we know about that? You gotta know. They add up to be 180, guys. Look, they're definitely not equal, right? Look at them. Definitely not. One's big and obtuse, and one's a cute little guy. Okay, so they add up to be 180. All right, so now that brings me to our first example. Make sure you're paying attention. So I'm going to do a quick few examples with you. So if I said to you, solve. You notice there's no equal sign. We have no equation right now, correct? Are you paying attention? Yeah. Okay, you better be. No, well, listen anyways, because I'm going to teach you better. Yes. Oh, you're going to, okay. But here's the thing, guys. Even if you already know how to do this, I want to make a deeper understanding. So listen, we do not have an equation right now, correct? We've got to create an equation. Now, it has to be a true statement. It has to be a true equation. You can't just set up some random thing and then go with it. So what's a true statement here? What kind of angles are this that's given and this that's given? Alternate exterior. What do we know about alternate exterior angles? They're equal. So our true statement is literally that equals that, correct? That's our true statement. So you would say 88 degrees equals 2x minus 4. And now we have an equation that's a true statement, and now we just solve for x. So we'd add 4, right? 88, 89, 90, 91, 92 equals 2x, and then solve for x, right? Yeah. Divide by 2. Everybody good? So x equals 46. Boom, boom. Next case, do problem 1, go. I know, I watched you do it. Yep. Again, pull yourself away. So what kind of angles are these? Vertical. What do we know about vertical angles? They're equal. So the true statement is 60 degrees is equal to 10x. Now we would solve for x. So we would divide both sides by 10. Thus x equals 6. True? Okay, let's do number 2. Go for it. I said to you solve this, we have to set up a true statement. What kind of angles are these? Anyone remember the correct word? You're so good. Corresponding. That means they're the same thing, right? They're equal. So 60 degrees equals x plus 25. Now use algebra to solve for x. Subtract 25. So we have 35 degrees equals x, or 35. I don't care. But maybe we should write degrees in there. Nah. Okay, do problem 3, go for it. I hope I was even recording in that last one. Does anyone remember if this was blinking? It wasn't blinking? I don't know. Oh, dang it.